You know, they say it's not easy being green, but after seeing this truck, I'd give it a try. Hi, this is Steve from TLC Truck and Equipment in Pompano Beach, Florida. Here today to talk about this Peterbilt 337 Classic Stepside. I knew from the day that I first saw the build sheet for this truck that this was going to be a unique build. It seemed like they took everything that we've ever done to a truck before and put it all into one. Starting with the rollback, Jerr-Dan bed, the SRS system, the Stepside toolboxes and fenders. It has a push bumper. It is loaded with strobes in the front grille, strobes in the taillights, strobes underneath the cab, and then strobes on the steps themselves. Additional work lights added onto the SRS system for the sides. Also has a custom Indiglo headlights, the addition of a winch light to aid when working at nighttime. It has custom lighting under the deck. It has pre-installed jumper cable points in the front bumper and in the rear taillight section. It has a 7-way RV plug, rear backup camera, custom switch panel inside, 10-function wireless remote. Even the SRS system has its own wireless remote controlling the operation of the outriggers and the winch. Inverter underneath the passenger seat. It also has a remote to turn the inverter on and off. Everything about this truck just catches your eyes, and as you walk around it, you start to see and pick out more and more details, like the custom installed Go Jack mounts nested behind the rear taillights. It includes Army-style fuel cans tucked in behind the toolboxes for those roadside emergencies. Custom hose reel mounted inside the passenger side toolbox. After this video was shot, in-the-ditch speed dollies were also mounted to the bed in the event that a four-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive vehicle must be towed from the wheel lift. We've been building Stepsides here at TLC for a few years. Over the years, as time's gone by, it's evolved and it definitely catches your attention, and this is a truck that will get you noticed. If you have any questions or want to find out how you can get your very own custom truck, just contact our sales department. They'll be happy to assist you. My name is Steve from TLC Truck and Equipment, Pompano Beach, Florida. Thanks for watching.